What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a working health bar, and let's just get right into it. So first of all, we're going to need to insert a screen GUI into starter GUI, and I'm just going to name mine health bar, really. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a frame. I'm going to put mine right here in the middle. We're gonna change the size like so. Change it to just do this. It's gonna be a rather large health bar, but since this is a tutorial, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna make it this large. We're gonna. This is gonna be the background, so we're gonna name this uh, health bar. I'm gonna name the frame that as well. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a UI corner to it, because it just makes it look a lot cleaner. Really, I'm actually gonna change it a bit so it's like this instead. I think that looks better. Okay, so that's the corners for it. I'm also gonna add in a UI stroke, and we're gonna change the background color of this to a dark grayish. I reckon maybe this color. I'm gonna copy it, get the UI stroke here, and we're gonna make a border. See if you can see there's a border around it now. Can change it to that if we want. Can even make it a bit darker. I think I'm gonna make it around here, around that. Can make it like 4 or 3. I'm gonna make it 3. Now we've done the first part. I'm actually also gonna make this global. The syntax behavior. It's just, it just decides which UI is in front and what is not. Now I'm gonna duplicate this bar and move it into the previous bar. Gonna remove the UI stroke. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna keep the UI corner though. We're gonna make the size 1,0, 1,0. We're gonna make the position 0.0.0.0, right? Boom. And we're gonna make the syntax of this. We're gonna make it 2. This way the bar is gonna be in the front. We're gonna make this. Let's make it green because it's a health bar, right? We could even make a gradient out of this. We could add a gradient into this, and then I'm just quickly gonna change this color back to white, and we could add a gradient. So we could do this color right here. We could change it over here. We can make it a lighter green color. We could even make one in the middle right here at 0.5. We can make this a bit lighter as well if we wanted to. Then now we have a really nice gradient down here for the health bar. And now you notice when it moves, we still have this background, this dark grayish background for the health bar. I'm going to name this bar. So this is the bar that's actually going to move, the green part, right? So let's get to scripting. So we're just going to insert a local script into this bar that we just made. And let's go. So we can start by defining our player, right? So we can start by doing local PLR is equal to game dot players dot local player, right? And here we just get the local player. We just get the player. We could do local character or local car is equal to PLR dot character or PLR dot. We're just PLR dot character there. Okay. And then we're gonna get the humanoid, so we're gonna do local humanoid or local hum is equal to character car. Wait for child humanoid. So now we're also going to define the health bar, or in this case it's the green part right here that we're going to be moving, right? So we're going to do local bar is equal to script.parent. Now we need to in order to actually use this, to move the bar, we're gonna need to create a function. So we're gonna do local function update health bar, and we're gonna do so we're gonna need to get the health, right? So we're gonna do local health is equal to math dot clamp, yeah. And then we're gonna get the humanoid's health, divided by max humanoid dot max health, 0, 1. Alright, so we just return between the numbers, so it's either between 0 or 1, right? And now we're gonna do um, so now we're actually also gonna need to like change the size of the bar, right? So we're gonna do bar dot size is equal to udem2 dot new, or udem2 dot, actually we're gonna do udem2 dot from scale, the health of 1, right? And then we're gonna do update health bar, and okay, so we're doing this, we're launching the function here, we're activating it just in case. So when the player joins the game and their health is not on 100, it actually starts where it's supposed to. So let's say we joined the game with 10 health, it'd be somewhere around here, right? And we'd spawn in with this amount of health instead of it being up here, right? But now when we actually need to change it, we're gonna need to look for changes whenever our health changes or the max health of the humanoid changes, right? Because when we play the game right here, you can see we have the health bar, of course, but if we go in here and we get our character, and we press on our humanoid, we scroll down, you can see that we have a health right here, and we have a max health. This is the maximum amount of health that we can have, right? So we want to update this in case we have some shield script or something like that, some armor, and then the bar scales with it. So we could do humanoid colon get property change signal health colon connect update health bar humanoid colon get property change signal max health colon connect update health bar. And this should really be everything we need for the script. Let's test it, see if it works. I'm just gonna go on the server. Oh, whoops. Go in here, just change your health. Let's change it to about 20. See if it works. There you can see it updated, and you can see we're also healing our health back, and we now have the actual health. You can see it up here on the top left as well that we're healing, and this just scales with it. You could even do it live if you wanted to. So we could add in a part right here. We just do a script.pair.touch, connect, function, hit, if hit.parent, find first child, humanoid, then hit.parent.humanoid.health minus equal 10. So you can see we lost health when we touched the part. Let's try and touch it once. There. And you can see we actually lose health now on the health bar. That was everything for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye!